years ago, Dr. Harshvardhan threw a challenge at the Indian scientists. The challenge was to develop green firecrackers to reduce the pollution levels during festivals such as Diwali. The scientists accepted this challenge responsibly, and within a year, National Environment Engineering Research Institute of CSIR developed different kinds of green firecrackers. But developing these firecrackers wasn't enough. It was necessary to test and define the green firecrackers very clearly based on their composition and emissions. So, after complying with all the guidelines of the Supreme Court and the Central Pollution Control Board, and after obtaining the necessary license from the Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization (PESO), the green firecrackers were launched recently by the Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan.
ग्रीन क्रैकर जो है वो अब इस दिवाली पर मार्केट में QR कोड के साथ उपलब्ध हो गया। ये बहुत बड़ी हमारे वैज्ञानिकों की विजय है। मैं सभी CSIR की हमारी जो करीब 8 लैबोरेटरीज हैं उसके वैज्ञानिकों ने मिलकर काम किया।
The eco-friendly firecrackers developed by CSIR use potassium nitrate as the oxidant in place of barium nitrate. This replacement will bring down the emissions of particulate matter as well as harmful gases like nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. The overall use of chemicals has also been minimized according to the scientists.
जो कन्वेंशनल क्रैकर्स थे और जो ग्रीन क्रैकर्स है उसमें जो एमिशन रिडक्शन है वो काफ़ी कम हो रहा है। पार्टिकुलेट मैटर 30 से 35% कम हो रहा है, SO2 कम हो रहा है और स्मोक जो हम देखते हैं वो पार्टिकुलेट मैटर और गैसियस का मिक्सचर होता है, तो स्वाभाविक है कि स्मोक लेवल भी कुछ हद तक कम होगा।
The green fireworks will be priced cheaper or similar to the conventional fireworks. The packaging of new fireworks will have a green logo and a QR code that buyers can use to check their authenticity. CSIR NEERI has entered agreements with 230 manufacturers to make the green fireworks. On the retail side, traders will have to obtain license to sell the new fireworks. The Supreme Court had banned the sale, use and manufacture of crackers that weren't green in October 2018 due to concerns regarding the rising pollution levels. However, it should be noted that green fireworks are not pollution-free. They just produce less air and noise pollution. So, it is better not to use any kind of firecrackers if we care about the air we breathe in every day. Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has also urged the citizens to avoid any kind of firecrackers.
मैं तो कहूँगा कि ग्रीन फायरक्रैकर ना बजाइए और मुझे विश्वास है कि आप बच्चे ही घर में, छात्र ही घर में बताएंगे माता पिताजी को कि फायरक्रैकर्स मत लाइए।
Bursting of firecrackers during festivals like Diwali increases air as well as noise pollution. It is a known fact that the quality of air that we breathe in is already below standards and has led to many health hazards, including deaths. Still, we seem to believe more in celebration of festivals rather than the celebration of life. Science Monitor hopes that from this year, every citizen will celebrate the festival with a sense of responsibility towards nature.